The Vision platform consists of the FP Vision flashpoint tester, the VP Vision to test vapor pressure, and the IR Vision to analyze different fuel properties. Together with our cockpit IoT software, the VP Vision can be configured to work with any XYZ Autosampler. We will cover the required parts, how to put them together and wire them up. We use the cockpit to create a playlist, then set up and check it on the instrument. In the next step, we provide the samples and finally start the measurement. Step 1. Required parts. We can provide special trays with templates for 1 liter and 250 milliliter bottles, and a special sampling needle to perforate the diaphragm of the bottles. Step 2. Setting up the sampler. First, always power up the sampler, then connect it to the VP Vision with the serial cable. Prepare the sample tray with the desired insert, use the lure connectors to connect the tubes, and place the needle tight on the sampler arm. The other end of the tube goes into the VP Vision lure inlet. Step 3. Configure the samples. Start the cockpit on any PC within the same network as the Vision instrument. Find the corresponding device and open the Distribution tab. If not already part of your cockpit version, load the tray file describing the layout of the insert to be used. Send the tray configuration to the instrument. Then select the template subpage and let's create a new playlist by hitting the plus icon. Use the default name or choose your own playlist name, indicating the sample set. Choose the corresponding autosampler, in our case the Perkin Elmer S10. Now hit the plus icon on the playlist generator on the right. There is a predefined set of measurement templates or functions like rinsing. In this example, we are creating our own template 1 for our sample 1, and a slightly different measurement procedure for sample 2. When saving, it is added to the playlist where the numbers of the measurements and the position can be adjusted. Once done, we move it from the cockpit to the instrument. Step 4. Check tray file and playlist on the device. On the instrument, log in as Lab Manager. We will first check if the configuration really works before starting on real samples. Enter the maintenance menu, then scroll to the bottom of the page. From the automatic sample handler, select the tray file just transferred. Test different positions and verify that the sampler moves to the expected place. Back on the measurement screen, find your playlist within the templates. You can review and modify all settings also without the cockpit. However, the cockpit makes configuration so much easier. Step 5. Get your samples ready. Now place the 1 liter Boston Round bottles filled between 70 to 80% in the tray. If you are measuring according to ASTM D5191, air saturate the samples at 0 degrees centigrade. In such a case, put ice in the tray or hook it up to an external chiller. We advise to seal the bottles to avoid evaporation. To center the bottles and prevent them from floating, fix them with the top part of the sample tray. Step 6. Start the measurement. As a last step remains only to press the start button on the instrument. Watch how the instrument gets ready and operates the autosampler according to your playlist. Finally, treat yourself with a good cup of coffee. Thanks for watching.